Good evening, and thank you for joining us for yet another edition of Guru Chuckle. I'm your host, Tom Barnes. This channel will be providing you with comedic answers to your questions about relationships, about dating, marriage, or just wanting to stay alone. Help on raising children. I want to thank many of our fans for providing Guru with your questions. I want to ask our audience to please send in your questions in the comments below. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thanks. And now, without further ado, the one, the only, Guru Acharu. Hello once again, all my friends from YouTube land. I am here to enlighten you on relationships, and we have letters already. How nice. My first letter is from Timmy from Ohio, and he writes, "Hi Guru, my name is Timmy and I'm 7 years old. I'm still waiting for my parents to have the talk with me. I heard a few things from my friends. But what does the birds and the bees mean?" Timmy, in the Himalayas, we just let our children look at the animals, the goats, the chickens and the dogs. Now, about the birds and the bees. Maybe Americans use them because the birds, they sing a sweet little song. And the bees make the sweet honey. I like honey in my tea. But in reality, the bees, they sting you, and the birds, they crap on you. That makes more sense. Okay, Tom, is it time for one more letter? Once again, Guru, you have one more letter. It is the one more letter. Hello, Guru. My name is Paul, and I live in Sydney, Australia. I don't have any questions about love or any of that. But I would like to know why you look like a caveman and you're wearing a fake beard and a fake mustache. I'd like to know why. Greetings, Paul. I must agree that I do look like a caveman. And I had several agents from Geico try to get me to sign up to do a Geico commercial. Ha ha ha. Very, very funny. I want you to know that this hair on my face is real. I've had it for many, many, many years, as far back as I can remember. Yes. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Please join us for another episode of Guru Chuckle. Bye for now. Oh, we are done again so soon, so soon, so soon. So long, my friends. Bye-bye until next week, where I will answer more questions. Thank you, and good night.